Want to turn your favorite photos of your grandchildren and turn them into a coloring page like this one? It's so easy. And the best part is you don't need to know how to draw and you don't need any complicating photo editing software. I'm going to show you how simple it is and how to do it in ChatGPT for free to turn an ordinary photo into a personalized coloring page and finish it in Canva for free. You can print it for yourself, give it to your grandkids to color, or even create a little coloring book filled with special family memories. And I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Hi, and if you're over 60 like me and sometimes feel like all the new AI technology is moving a little bit too fast, where you're in the right place. And today's project is one of my favorites. I have made personalized coloring pages for my grandson's birthday as a party favor. I make a cover and print it in photo paper. Then I fold it in half and staple in the coloring pages. Everybody loves them. Here's how it works. We're going to take a regular photo and ask ChatGPT to transform it into a simple black and white coloring page. I'll show you exactly how and give you the prompt you can use for it. So let's get started. Now, the first thing is to choose a photo you like to turn into a coloring page. For best results, I recommend choosing a photo where your grandchild's face is easy to see. A photo with good lighting and a simple background usually works best. Don't worry, if something goes wrong, you can always ask ChatGPT to fix it. For example, I'm going to use this photo. Now, open ChatGPT. Now we're going to upload our photo. Click the plus button in the chat box to upload your photo. Select the photo you want to use. Once your photo has attached to the conversation, don't send it yet. We're going to give ChatGPT some instructions. Now comes the important part. We're going to tell ChatGPT exactly what we want to do. You don't have to come up with the instructions yourself. You can simply use this prompt. Turn this photo into a simple black and white coloring page. Use clean, bold outlines. Remove the background. Keep the person's main facial features recognizable and leave large white areas for easy coloring. No shading, no gray, no color. Now to make it easier, I'm going to leave this prompt in the video description so you can just copy and paste it. After you edit the prompt, send your message. Now, after you send ChatGPT your message, wait for ChatGPT to create your coloring page. It may take a couple of minutes. Just wait patiently. And look at that. Our regular photo has been transformed into a coloring page. Take a look good at the results. Remember, AI doesn't always get everything perfect on the first try. So maybe the face has too many details. Maybe you want thicker lines, or perhaps there's something in the picture you want to remove. You don't necessarily have to start over. You can simply ask ChatGPT to make the change for you. Just give it the photo, click edit, and ask ChatGPT to make the outline thicker, simplify the facial details, or remove the objects in the background, or maybe make the coloring page easier for a young child to color. You give it instructions, it will can generate a new image for you. Here's another helpful trick. Suppose you like your coloring page, but there's one little detail. Maybe a part of the shirt doesn't look right. You can ask ChatGPT to fix that part. For example, you can say, keep the coloring page the same, but fix the outline on the t-shirt or the shirt, or maybe a hat, whatever you need to fix. Or maybe you want the picture to be even simpler. You can say, make this coloring page simpler with fewer details, smaller and larger spaces for coloring. Okay, now we're taking the photo into Canva. Enlarge your photo as you like. After that, go to Elements and select the elements you want to add to your photo. So your coloring page will have more elements for the kids to color in. So I used the theme of space. I added some things from space all around it, fill it as you like. Then I went over to personalize it, adding some text. I used the name Sam, and then you're going to go to Effects. After you select your name, go to Effects, and there you're going to click on the hollow to make it the name. Also, you'll be able to color it. And the outline, you must reduce it as you wish or as you like. If you want it thicker, you can leave it thicker. I made it a bit thinner. And there you have it. There you have your coloring page. And I did another example here of a little girl, so you can see that one too. Now all you need to do is add another page. Of course, now you're going to upload the next coloring page you want to edit and add some decorative elements. So in this case, I took the little girl and I enlarged the photo. I centered it. Now after I centered it, I started off with the text. In this case, I'm gonna name her Amelia. So I type out the name and center it on top of the page. And then I enlarged it. After that, I click Elements, choose Hollow again, and thin the outline so it makes it a little bit less thicker if you like. Then in this case, I changed the text. I like this one, and I changed it again. I didn't like that one, so I stayed with this one. Now I went to Elements, and here in Elements, I decided to go with flowers and butterflies as the elements I wanted to add. So you're going to type in whatever you want and going to add coloring or black and white outline. So it'll give you a clean outline image that would you be able to color in for your coloring pages. And after I did this, I just went to download, to share, download, and I downloaded it as a PDF. And then you could open it. You could add as many pages as you want. And in the elements, just stay away. I have the Pro plan, but if you don't have the Pro plan, just stay away from the images that have the little crown. Those are for paid customers. So, but you could use it with the free version. Once you're happy with your coloring pages, save the finished image to your computer, tablet, or phone. Then you can print it on a regular white piece of paper and send it to your printer. And now you have a personalized coloring page that you can't buy in a store because it's based on your own special family photos. And here's where this project is even more fun. You don't have to stop with one picture. Imagine choosing 5, 10, 20 of your favorite photos. You can turn pictures from birthdays, vacation, holidays, school events, anything you can imagine into coloring pages, then print them and put them together in a binder or folder. You can even make a cover that says Grandma's Special Coloring Book or Our Family Memories Coloring Book. So here's a quick recap. So let's quickly review. Choose a cure photo, upload it to ChatGPT, use the coloring page prompt I gave you, let ChatGPT create your picture, ask for the changes that you need if needed, then save it, print it, and have fun coloring it, or upload it to Canva and add more elements to your coloring page. No drawing skills and no complicated software is required for this. I hope you have enjoyed this little simple trick I just gave you today. I hope you have lots of fun with it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're over 60 and want to learn more easy ways to use AI and technology, consider subscribing. I have plenty more beginning friendly ideas coming. So I love to hear from you and let me know in the comments what photo would you turn into a coloring page first. I hope you have lots of fun with your grandkids creating this project. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.